Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Her Glow Season. I am hellolexisrenee, so if you're returning, hey girl, hey. I'm about to go ahead and show you guys how I do my silk press. It is silk press season. It's starting to get cold, so if you're interested or if you're looking for a video that is going to teach you how to get a very nice silk press, then definitely stick around because I have all the things to help you get a really nice silk press. Let's go ahead and get started right now.
If you be the cash, I'll be the rubber band. You be the match, I will be a fuse. Later, baby, be the new. I'm looking for the baby, be the new. Cause you're a cigarette, and I'm the smoker. We raise the bet, you're the joker. Treat down, I wanna choke. If I can be the blackboard, you can be the top, and I can be the one. Yeah, when the sky comes falling. Even when the sun don't shine, got faith in my life.
Alright, you guys, so my hair is fully blow dried now. Honestly, I'm very impressed with how the product really got my hair just like so salon quality. Like, it feels so light, so airy, and so super duper soft. And I absolutely love that. So this is going to turn out way better than what I expected because, girl, yes. So right now what we're going to do is go ahead and get straight into the straightening process, which is like my favorite part. And then, yeah.
Tired of going out, scared of running into you. All of these whereabouts, what is a girl to do? Say no to everything I'm invited to, and I can't do that. Out the intersection, dolo, baby, working on self-control, the baby, no, finna get anti-social on ya. You know I hate the club, but I came cause I know you show up. Maybe if I drink enough, I'll make my way over to you. Baby, you know I hate the club, but I came cause I know you show up.